Hey guys,
Hi guys.
Safety Dave here. All right, so today we're gonna go over the Nano lock. So this is the DBI Sala leading edge single leg Nano lock. I know that a question was raised, well, didn't they do a recall on the single leg? I reached out to 3M, or on the Nano locks, I reached out to 3M, and they said not on the single leg. They only did a recall on the double leg. So, and there's a symbol on the double legs that did get recalled that are okay. So, you'll notice here, this symbol here, it's kind of an edge and it goes over the edge. That's leading edge. If it doesn't have that symbol, this is not leading edge. But as you can see, it's Nano lock edge. All right, excellent. So today we're going to go over how to put your Nano lock on your harness. All right. So the first thing you want to do, I want to show you something really, really important. So you see this pin? I got a pin here, right here. All right. So you press these two buttons right there. I can kind of drop it. Pull it out. Okay, I want to show you something. See this red right here? See that? If you ever see that after putting it on your harness, red is dead. Remember, red is dead. If that is showing, that means you don't have it fully activated, this pin. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to put this on our harness. First, locate your D-ring. Here's your dorsal ring. Now below you on your 3M protected on most harnesses, but this is our most common harness. All right, this is the one we're using. You'll see a webbing D-ring. All right, it's got a loop through it. That's where this pin goes. This pin goes right through that loop. All right. Now, when you put it on there, remember these hang down. These are your shock pack, your shock absorbent pack. All right, it's built into this. You also have your inspection tag and identification tag underneath there as well. See that right there? So the serial number, just real quick, these are RFID chips on most all of DBI Sala equipment. We use the last 6 numbers. The last 6 numbers on this RFID on our master inspection checklist, that's how we log the serial numbers when we have these RFID chips. All right, so we go ahead and put that back. All right, nice, protected. All right, so this is hanging down. I got my pin. I'm going to pull my pin out just like that. And I'm going to put it right through this loop, D-ring, this webbing. All right, got it through. Boom, you'll hear it click, a little click. Now, look at this, see this? I don't see red, it's all the way in. Make sure that that's all the way in. Next, we're going to go ahead and see these loops right here, little Velcro straps at the bottom of your shock packs, just like that. Those go around your webbing. So, you take your webbing right here, it's in your back. So, kind of where your inspection tag on your harness is, that's about where you want to put it. So, we'll go ahead and wrap these around, just like this. Boom. Velcro that up, same on the other side. Go ahead and handle that. Right there on this webbing, right above your buckle. I'm going to wrap this around. Put this just like this. And there you go. Let me check that out. Bam. That is proper right there. Okay? And then, that's it. Just make sure it's firmly on there. Remember, these are your shock packs, so you want those attached, all right? And then make sure this is locked in. If you have any questions, remember, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Talk to your site supervisor. We'll get you squared away, all right? Thank you.